Hello everybody and welcome back to another video, and in this one we are going to be learning how to receive money on your Wise account. So as you can see, Wise is in front of me and I'm going to be quickly opening it, and once I'm inside the application, here you will be able to see a few settings. So we need to head over to our profile from the top left side of our screen, and once we head over to there, here you can see we have this name tag type of title showing up. You simply need to click on this, and once you can see that your friends send a request money from you by sharing your Wise QR code. So that's how easily you can receive money on your Wise account. You simply need to download this QR code. So click on this download. You can see it is saved in photos. When you click on share, and you can just share it to your friends and family, and so they can send you money by simply as easy as just scanning this QR code. You can also share the link via the share option and just copy the link and share it with your friends as well. Now if you want to scan someone else's QR code, you can use this option on the top right side of your screen to scan someone else, and it will open up your camera. And so let's just head back. So yeah, that's how you can share or receive money on Wise, and I really hope you found this video helpful. If you did so, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video and share with your friends. Thank you so much for watching, and see you around the next video.